everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do, as you can probably tell, a Harley Quinn makeup tutorial. This is a look that she is wearing in the new Birds of Prey film, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's a little bit more wearable, it's a little bit more simple than the previous red and blue eye look. I'm also gonna show you how you can achieve this DIY red and blue classic Harley look. If you want to know how to recreate it, then keep on watching. But before we go anywhere, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make weekly videos like this every week now and even hit the bell if you want to stay notified. First of all, I'm going to start off by doing my hair. I'm just going to give my hair a little bit of a brush just to make it all fresh and nice, because at the moment my hair does not look like that. So then I'm just going to split my hair into two equal sections like you would for normal pigtails, and I'm just going to further split them again just so there's a little bit in the front, just to create a very sort of relaxed pigtail look like Harley has in the film. So I had a little bit of a nightmare with the hair chalk. I ended up doing the wrong piece red, as you can see, which wasn't the best idea. I'm going to start off with the red chalk. These chalks you can just get from Amazon. I think I got like a pack of 6 for when I went to Download Festival. They were very, very cheap, very affordable. I'll link them down below. I actually did the right side of my hair first and just did the lower half. Then I repeated it for the blue one and just brushed it through like you would a normal hairbrush, because they're basically combs but with dye in them. It took me so long to actually get like the right amount of colour. I've just taken a picture here of what the finished look looks like. We're gonna start with the makeup. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is the Rimmel Radiance Primer. I don't know what has happened. My beauty blender is like tripled in size while I was washing it. I'm also gonna use the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the shade Ivory. I just dot that all over, which is also a very, very natural foundation because obviously Harley is very pale like myself. I'm using the Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer, also in the shade Ivory. I'm just dotting that all over my face, again using my fingers. I know it's so unsanitary, it's not good. Then I'm just using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent and my Real Techniques B01 powder blue brush, and just giving myself a nice gentle powder, nothing too cakey, just to set the makeup in place. I am taking the Benefit Brow to make my brows appear a lot fuller and a lot more defined, just like Margot Robbie's. I'm using the Rimmel London Brow This Way gel in the shade Clear, just to set everything in place. I'm taking Zoella's Brunch Date palette and I'm going to use the shade Champagne Toast on the lids, because in Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn has quite a natural eyeshadow look, so I'm just using that as the base to start with. I'm just applying it using my Real Techniques B04 powder blue brush, which is a lovely fluffy shadow brush. And then I'm just using a random Urban Decay brush that I got from my Old Naked palette, and I'm just using the same colour but lining underneath my eyes. I'm taking the Morphe Picasso palette and I'm going to take the black shade and just carefully get it on my lash line, but obviously not poking myself in the eye, just to create quite a heavy eyeliner effect, seeing as all my eyeliners have actually dried up pretty much. I'm just using an angled brush just to go underneath my eye. Then I am moving on to my lips. I'm using the MAC lipstick in Ruby Woo. Then I'm using the Kat Von D ink liner and I'm just gonna try and attempt to draw this heart. Just gonna go in with the Morphe Picasso black shade again and just try and make it as full as possible, which, as you can see, it took me quite a few attempts. And then I'm just using my angled brush again to spell rotten on my jawline, which this looks backwards but it actually is the right way around. And then I'm just going to use some mascara to finish off my look. I'm using the Rimmel London Extreme Black Volume Flash Mascara, which is an amazing mascara. And then I'm finishing up using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is my finished Harley Quinn makeup and hair look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a like if you enjoyed it, and maybe comment if you have seen the film, and if you love it, I actually need to go and see it. I have not seen it yet. Please remember also to subscribe to my channel. I'd love your support on this journey because it means so much to me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.